The MOONCOOL Electric Bike for adults is a remarkable blend of power, functionality, and user-friendliness, designed to cater to both seasoned cyclists and those new to the e-bike experience. With its 700W peak power motor, this electric bike promises an exhilarating ride, whether you're commuting through the city, tackling rugged trails, or simply enjoying a leisurely weekend ride. One of the standout features of the MOONCOOL Electric Bike is its robust motor. The 700W peak power provides ample torque, making it suitable for various terrains. Whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising along flat paths, the bike performs admirably, responding instantly to throttle input. The pedal assist feature is also well calibrated, allowing you to choose how much effort you want to exert. This makes it an excellent option for those who want to engage in some exercise while still getting the benefits of electric assistance. The bike is equipped with a 48V lithium-ion battery, which is designed for longevity and efficiency. Depending on the mode you choose, users can expect a range of approximately 25 to 40 miles on a single charge. This range is more than sufficient for daily commutes or weekend adventures. The battery is removable, allowing for convenient charging and storage, and the included charger efficiently brings the battery back to full capacity in about 4 to 6 hours. This feature is particularly useful for urban riders who may not always have access to a power outlet. The 7-speed transmission system is another highlight of the MOONCOOL Electric Bike. It offers smooth gear transitions, providing riders with the flexibility to adjust their speed based on the terrain and their comfort level. This versatility is especially appreciated by those who like to take on a variety of riding conditions. The bike's step-through frame design makes it easy to mount and dismount, making it accessible for a wide range of riders, regardless of height or physical ability. Comfort is paramount when it comes to long rides, and MOONCOOL has not skimped on this aspect. The bike features a cushioned seat that provides excellent support, reducing strain on the rider during extended journeys. The handlebar height is adjustable, allowing for a customized fit, which is essential for comfort on longer rides. Additionally, the bike comes with front and rear disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power under various conditions. The braking system is responsive, giving riders the confidence to navigate busy streets or steep descents. The overall build quality of the MOONCOOL Electric Bike is impressive. The frame is made from high-grade aluminum, striking a balance between durability and weight. The bike is sturdy yet lightweight enough to handle easily. It also features a sleek design that is visually appealing, with a modern aesthetic that would fit right in with contemporary urban environments. Available in multiple colors, it caters to different style preferences. One potential downside is the bike's weight. While the aluminum frame provides structural integrity, the overall weight of the bike can be a concern for some users, especially when it comes to lifting or transporting it. This is somewhat mitigated by the fact that the battery is removable, which lightens the load when necessary. However, prospective buyers should consider their needs regarding storage and transportation. In terms of assembly, the bike comes mostly pre-assembled, which is a bonus for buyers. The instructions are straightforward, and most users should be able to complete the assembly with minimal tools and time. This ease of setup makes the MOONCOOL Electric Bike an attractive option for those who are eager to hit the road without the hassle of a complicated assembly process. Finally, customer service and warranty support play crucial roles in the overall ownership experience. MOONCOOL provides a solid warranty that covers most of the bike's components, giving buyers peace of mind. Users have reported that the customer service team is responsive and helpful, addressing any concerns or questions promptly. In conclusion, the MOONCOOL Electric Bike for adults is a well-rounded option for anyone looking to explore the world of electric biking. Its powerful motor, comfortable design, and user